Alright, we have the bony labyrinth, or the osseous labyrinth, if you will. We have the cochlea right here, and if we open it up, we can look inside, and we can see the ducts, basically, the scala. So you have, for example, here. Let's see. I want to do. Which one do we want to do? I want something to point with too. Here we go. The scala, scala vestibula or something. Would that be this one?
I believe it would be the pink.
The pink one? Scala
only
vestibula?
because of the way the tectoral membrane.
Okay, so this is the scala media. Is that the scala tympani? Okay, sweet. And so we have the endolymph in the scala media right here. And we have the perilymph in the other two, the scala vestibuli and the scala tympani. Okay, so this would be the nerve? I don't know. What is this?
This is the cochlear nerve.
This is the cochlear nerve and the vestibular section of the vestibulocochlear nerve, which is nerve number 8. Sweet. We're done with the cochlea, right? Okay, so
1 cup of ramen noodles takes as long
we
as 5 gallons
have the blah blah blah. Let me see.
Section is the vestibule.
Yeah, this is the
between
vestibule.
cochlear.
Oh, it's actually the bony part right here. It's the vestibule.
It's the in between.
Sweet.
The neck.
Okay. And then we got the semicircular canals. So we have our lateral semicircular canal right here. We have our anterior, and behind we'll have the posterior. Endolymphatic sac.
Because if it's 2 and 2, then they kind of get this, civil war where
Hey, Jonathan.
with 5, there's that one who can sort of sway.
Like this is
One gets
sacule.
left out, which is fine too.
Utricle.
Yes.
So endolymphatic sac
Is that thingy over there?
is that thingy hanging right here? These text messages. Okay, endolymphatic sac.
Yes.
And these are the sacules.
Well, actually, this one's the sacule. This is the utricle.
Okay.
Oh, utricle.
And is this
Are
nod
those on our
It's called the ampulla.
ampulla?
ampulla? Okay. For some reason I can't find those on my. Maybe it's just me. Oh, there we go. Sweet.
No.
Okay. So
You're not see any of
ampulla.
that on this one. The only thing you're
There we go. And then
the
utricle
only thing you're going to see
is this one. And then that one is the sacule. Ooh, down there. Number
That's where that
9.
eustachian tube comes out. But everything else.
Can't point and film at the same time. Okay. What else do we have?
It does. It does. That's how it's
Is that it?
different scale.
You ready to do it again?
Yeah, totally. What about the otoliths and all that? Where would they
They're
be?
inside those, so you can't
They would
see
be
those.
inside of these.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can't see it from a model. You can
Right.
look at a book and see a picture.
So maculae is what?
Technology.
I know.
Cameras.
School.
What's the maculae?
I can say how old I am.
same
We didn't
way,
have
'cause I
photocopiers when I was in high school.
I think macula
With
is
dittos?
the little
remember
thing
ditto
that's
machines?
inside.
Oh.
The
You don't
ditto
remember
machines,
the wet paper
the
that
wet
smelled?
paper. Yes, and it was
Yeah. Purpley or sometimes green, yeah.
That's
Yeah.
hilarious.
no idea.
No.
Oh,
See,
oh,
what
you,
was that? What was it for?
you have no idea what a ditto machine is, do you?
Well, she was
You
what
got me
machine?
those, right?
Huh?
They didn't have photocopiers. So the way you made a copy was the paper in this machine that used alcohol, and then it made copies on alcohol for the papers, so everything came out bluish and wet. So all your
See, I don't know what
papers
that
were
is either.
drippy. Oh, yeah. I remember when I got my master's, the first time email appeared.
That's awesome.
So there was one email address for the whole department, and like no one was allowed to touch it.
Okay, so I went to grade school in the 80s.
Now I'm filming you instead of
like
the ear.
Grandpa.
See?
I just-
Right?
I would have
This is
killed
funny.
both ways with wood and barefoot, no cars. Young one for doing how easy you have.
No, I know. I am very grateful.
Do you remember a rotary phone? You probably remember. You do? Big
It's
light
because they had
phones?
toys, you know, that.
You can
You
break those
probably
things.
had that in a museum.
Museum. You can break those things.
Remember when they called the operator and sort of
That
person?
was the first time we had a party line.
Oh,
You
yeah.
didn't pay for it. That was because everyone in town was on one phone. And then Lottie Ham would always leave her phone off the hook so no one could call for days.